Good afternoon, welcome to Vlogmas day 5. Is it day 5 today? I'm losing count, I'm getting confused already. In fact, I've just realised that I haven't actually turned my calendar over to December yet. I'm still on November. That's how organised I am. Oh, how cute! I'm just editing some more photos to put up on my Etsy shop. And what else have I done today? Not a lot really. Look how cute my calendar is though. I'm so annoyed at myself that I haven't turned it over yet. This is actually from the pound shop. And I went into the pound shop the other day, as you will have seen. I think it was it yesterday's video? The day before yesterday's video, and I was looking for more calendars but I couldn't actually find any, but this one is so cute. Just realised it's actually Vlogmas day 6, so my bad. I can't believe I'm getting confused about it already. But I'm just about to start drawing again for the evening. It is almost 5:45 and I haven't actually drawn anything today, which feels very weird. I've been on the computer so much recently and that's probably why I'm getting these headaches. I think because I usually don't spend so much time on the computer. So we're going to draw together for a little bit and then I'm going to go downstairs and make some tortillas because we're having fajitas for tea tonight. Looking totally crazy right now and it kind of looks like an old Homer Simpson, but by the time I've defined it all I'm sure it will look okay. I hope so. Anyways, it's the thing with these drawings, they always look really weird until right at the end when you put in the finishing touches, but I'll give you an overhead shot now so you can see what it's looking like. So hopefully you can see where I'm going with this, but I'm absolutely starving now, so I'm gonna go and make tea. What are you doing, Tom?
I'm going back to my life as a cowboy!
Every bloody second of your free time is on this damn computer.
I'm a cowboy, baby. Ride all night and sleep all day, cowboy, baby.
What do you want, curly boy?
Turns out, you miss loads and loads and loads of opportunities in the game if you play as a bad cowboy.
Oh really? Is that what you've been doing?
The game's geared apparently towards getting good honour.
Oh.
You can be good honour or bad honour, and I've just been getting loads of bad.
You always do that, and I find that quite disturbing, to be honest.
Such a negative video. It was just that so much did not meet the quality standard of which.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
What a strange song to be singing at this time, John.
What do you mean?
Well, just as I'm talking about people not being things, you start singing that these boots are going to walk all over you. Is that what you're planning? Planning on walking all over?
Not you.
Who are you singing it to then? I'm not sure if you'll need a knife, but...
What are we going to use a knife for? Looks more of a spoon meal.